name is Carmen Mir. I'm coming from Spain, the country where we have EAU this year, actually. It's my home country. And my role at SCO is in charge of the kidney cancer track. EAU is going to be actually very special this year because it's in my home country, first of all. We have good opportunities for a lot of cultural exchange, I would say. Besides the scientific exchange, that is going to be extremely challenging. We have a lot coming on. In my plenaries, actually the ones I designed, there is a lot going on organ sparing for muscle-invasive bladder cancer. It's a very hot topic. Urologists need to jump on it in order to run the role on it because we don't want to be behind, and we need to learn about it, when to discuss it and when to apply it. I think it's going to be a very interesting plenary. And then there's a lot happening also in terms of abstracts in terms of kidney cancer for organ sparing as well. And a lot happening coming from Asia. There are a lot of new ideas on how to treat renal tumors coming from that area. There's going to be a good exchange of ideas, I think. So all these Asian submissions implies that EAU is reaching out all over the world. That points out and highlights the fact that all urologists are interested in coming and learning from us and from all over the world for the exchange of ideas, which is a very interesting content for me, having been trained in several countries and having worked as a urologist in 7 countries. I think the exchange of ideas is a key important message. I have to say EAU is the platform for idea exchanging and networking. I have to say for my newcomers, I think it's a challenging meeting because it's a lot happening at the same time. Luckily this year for the first time we have what we call the track, the topic tracks. So whatever you are interested in, you can select where you're going to go to. That makes it a lot easier. But my best tip for the first-time comers, it would be look at the map and make sure you know how to get to places because sometimes you miss parts of the beginning of the session because you don't know how to make it there. Make sure you download the app ahead of time and that you know how to make it there because it takes some time.